Fatigue and lack of concentration resulting from a loud and noisy work environment can cause serious safety issues. For operators working in loud and noisy beverage plants, fatigue resulting from these stressors is a natural side effect that can cause an increase in safety-related accidents. At Rexnord, we have identified this problem and found a solution to increase workplace safety. At our test lab, we have observed a significant difference between the noise levels of the standard chain and our eco-sustainable 661 series chain. Our results show that the cardinal action of the chain causes most of the noise in the environment. With the standard chain, we've observed around 87 decibels of noise in the environment. And with the eco-sustainable chain, we have decreased the noise levels to around 77 decibels. With our eco-sustainable chain, noise levels drop down to 77 decibels, a decrease of around 10 decibels. The 1-inch pitch of the sustainable chain minimizes the cardinal action around the drive and idler sprockets, resulting in quiet operation of the chain. On average, we have found a decrease of around 6 decibels. The eco-sustainable 661 series chain by Rexnord offers an increase in workplace safety by reducing noise. For more detailed information, please leave your contact info and we will reach out to you.